Do you want to build unlimited AI agents for free? Who says me? Me. All right. To do this, we're going to need a VPS because we're going to install FlowWise open source version. That's going to remove all the limits for building AI agents. That means that we have unlimited amounts of agents that we can build without those limitations. So let me show you how to install it on a VPS. Hey, what's up everyone? So this is FlowWise. It's an open source version of the AI agent builder. Now, yes, you can go ahead and build an account right here on FlowWise using their service. They have a free version that's super limited, but it's free. But if you want to jump into the paid plans, that is possible too. The idea is to use the free version open source to be installed on a VPS, so we don't have limits on the amount of agents that we build. And that is possible because they have an open source version. So to do this, we're going to use Hostinger for this purpose, which is the sponsor for this video. So if you plan to grab a VPS to install FlowWise, I definitely recommend that you check them out. Link in the description. Jump over to Services, VPS Hosting, and in this section, we'll be able to find their VPS plans. So they start off from $4.99 and all the way to $19.99. So depending on the amount that you plan to use FlowWise and the amount of agents that you want to build, I would recommend that you select the plan according to your needs. In this case, I'm going to use KBM2, which is $6.99 a month, because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code. Now, in this case, Hostinger is going to ask you how many months do you want to pay in advance. I recommend 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 2 years. Now, click on have a coupon code, add my coupon code or type it in, and the price is going to drop to $150.98. Now, if you want to install FlowWise straight from here, that is possible upon purchase. So once you're here, you want to select the OS. So go to Applications, Show More, and we're going to search for FlowWise. It's right here. I'm going to confirm. And what that means is that once I go through the payment process, it's going to do the installation for me and it will have FlowWise for me. But if you purchased a Hostinger VPS and you didn't install FlowWise in the beginning, you installed something else, don't worry, it is possible to install FlowWise with a one-click install. Go to your VPSs and find the VPS where you want to install FlowWise. In this case, I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to go to the OS panel, operating system, and I'm going to go into Applications, Show More, and I'm going to search for FlowWise. Here it is, FlowWise AI. I'm going to change the OS, I'm going to recognize, I'm going to add my password, and I'll be good to go. Be aware that by doing this, you will be wiping out your VPS and installing a fresh version of FlowWise. So if you have something going on in that VPS, don't do this, okay? Now, once you do that, you'll have your own FlowWise installation like the one I have right here. So let's go into Manage. You can see I have FlowWise. I got my username and I use the password from my own VPS. That means I am good to go. This is on my own VPS and I can go to Manage App and I have access to FlowWise right here without the limitations. So that means I can build chat flows, agent flows, executions, assistants, etc. all from here without those limits. The first thing I would recommend is that you get started with credentials. So you add credentials to the applications that you plan to use on FlowWise. So make those connections first before creating chat flows and agent flows. Plus you get access to everything to export, import, and everything you need to do here on FlowWise. So building unlimited AI agents is possible using FlowWise. So it's going to be cheaper paying for a VPS than paying for AI agents anywhere else on a month-to-month basis, okay? So definitely check it out. Don't forget that there's a link in the description to check out that Hostinger VPS plan. And don't forget to use my coupon code if you plan to grab a VPS there. And that's a wrap.